10. Here we're just being asked for the main idea. And if we're being asked for main idea, I'm just going to highlight this, and we're going to highlight, after reading the full thing, what is the most important information. So conservationists worldwide are working to protect ecosystems from habitat destruction and biodiversity loss, and in many cases, initiatives that rely on natural features or processes can help address such challenges. In response to a rapidly dwindling population of blueback salmon, the Q Indian Nation, a tribe in Washington state, partnered with the conservation organization Wild Salmon Center to restore naturally occurring logjams in the Q River. The logjams create shady pools where the blueback salmon can rest, spawn, and promote blueback population recovery. Well, the main idea is this stuff in the first sentence. So I'm going to just highlight that as what we really need to focus on about how they rely on natural features to address these challenges, because what comes afterwards is just an example. So choice A partnership between the Q Indian Nation and Wild Salmon Center shows the importance of collaborative approaches. Well, we're actually not concerned about collaborative approaches. We're concerned about relying on natural features. So A, while kind of similar, is not exactly matching what we highlighted. Nature-based approaches can be effective ways to achieve conservation goals. That absolutely matches this idea of relying on natural features, so we can select choice B. We can just close out that little 5-minute warning. You are going to be pressed for time here, regardless of how well you're doing. Then choice C, as indicated by a recent project, logjams help the blueback salmon thrive. We're not concerned with blueback salmon, and we're not saying that nature-based conservation methods offer better long-term solutions. So again, not the main idea either. We can eliminate D.